Emakhosini bantwana bethonga. So yo, as ngithi ngibona i-comments, I'm like, no, this one ngiyoyenza manje as I see it, right? So umntana ethonga uthi gogo ngiphupha uhlanya olunuka manje lifuna ukungiriba manje ngithi ngiyalwa kodwa ngiyahluleka. Yes, that's why ancestors, they like coding messages, guys, but let's get into it, right? Because probably you're not the only one. A lot of people are going through that and they're like, what in the toot is going on here? So what is in the toot is going on here is that umoya womdawu uyawuthanda amaphupho yabo. And manje uhlanya mawuphupha uhlanya ephupheni kusuke kuyidlozi lakho. So you may find ukuthi kuwena umdawu, it's even not umoya but kuyidlozi lakho. So them doing the toot, it does not necessarily mean ukuthi vele bayakudlwengula or anything. It means ukuthi bafuna ukuqhumana nawe. It's a signal that they want to be one with you. Angithi we believe that leonto it's spirit. So it's them showing you ukuthi sifuna ukuhlangana, sifuna ukuba moya munye, sifuna ukuthi singabi separate. Sifuna nje into zethu ungahambeli le ngihambele le. Ngifuna mina nawe sisebenzisane. Ngifuna ukuphila kuwena nami uphile kimi. But vele mayenzeka yo sukuthi guys kanti what is in the truth going on here kanti idlozi linjani. But also I will go on to say there's a thin line. Sometimes it can be ukuthi khona ukuganga okuthizwe mhlambe ubuthunyelwa ngotikoloshi ubufuna ukulalwa ngotikoloshi. Yabona? So there's a thin line. So you must check what happened or what is happening after that and check if you are spiritually gifted. If you are spiritually gifted, chances are idlozi lakho lelo umdawu wakho lo or idlozi lakho lelo. Or it cannot be umdawu, it can be also just idlozi lakho, you know, trying to connect with you. So there's a thin line. So check that. But anyways, I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, you can leave your comments in this comment section. Emakhosini lesedi khanya tamakonda uwe.